All right, just bombing down this forest access road here to go meet up with our buddy Campfire Kyle, somewhat near Sudbury, Ontario. We're gonna do a overnighter. So it's just me and Jim Baird, adventurer, and we're gonna try our hand at just doing an overnighter and basically just bringing our fishing gear and you know, kind of catching all our food from the lake and camp out. And so that should be interesting to see how it goes. Maybe we will catch nothing and we'll get real hungry, or maybe we'll load in and it'll be a good experience.
Big bump.
Big bump. But either way, it should be fun. Beautiful area we're coming up to here. Looking forward to getting this adventure underway and getting out there, getting some fish in the pan, and just enjoying the day.
Kyle actually lives out here, and Ted and I are paying him a visit on our way back from our canoe rescue mission up on the East Puckasaw River. So we're going to speed things up and take a motorboat and then portage into a big, beautiful backcountry lake that's supposed to have really good fishing. And you know, we're going to camp out there. So one night out in the backcountry, me, Ted, and Campfire Kyle. Bam! It's going to be a beauty. What's going on?
Campfire Kyle!
You friggin' the man, the legend!
The one and only. What's up, buddy? What a place, man. What a spot, what a day.
Nice to see you, man.
Beautiful. Yeah. Thanks for arranging for good weather.
Nice to see you, brother.
Yeah, you too.
Right? It's been a while.
I know, right?
Absolutely. You guys are looking
up
good.
Here, just the Temagami thing, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so nice here. Why? Let's just stay here.
Bites. There's friggin' options. The options are endless.
Hey, Burley.
You know? Yeah. So she said she's gonna keep me in the loop for the next.
Exactly. Seat platform, like a trolling motor and stuff, just a foot and pedal.
Jimmy pushing off the boat.
Alright, we could. Deacon would be fine. The other one, no.
Just pulling up to the portage here. About 800 meters into the secret lake of glory.
8:59 to be exact. If you want to get serious about it.
No, I do. Let's go. It's a solid 10K in.
Yeah, let's go with that. Oh, graceful gentleman. Very graceful.
I think it was a three-man job, that's why.
Exactly. I had to hold the camera, boys. I'm sorry. Stay to the left, Ted.
Pretty long portage. 900 meters, carrying everything. This is an old Nastwagon, which means roots in Ojibwe. So right now in this region, the Temagami region is the largest area of interconnected waterways in the world. And the people who lived here traditionally were very, very tied to the canoe because it's the way to travel around here. And they called the routes Nastwagon. So this portage trail here has been here not long since the glaciers retreated, so 10,000 years. It's moved and varied over time, but originally worn by the moccasins of the Ojibwe. How much further?
What, 150 meters?
All right.
Almost there, brother. And watch your ankles. I'm a dad. Doesn't matter how old you are, I'm still gonna tell you to be careful. You good, bud?
Yeah. Take a little breather.
Well, here, let me grab the canoe.
Look at that. What's this? It's a shimmery ass smallmouth, eh?
That is a tiny little
First
smallmouth.
cast. It's a good sign.
You guys didn't know I've become a shaman over the last several months. Trained with some of the greats.
Oh! Oh, that's a fish.
Is that a fish?
That's a fish. Yeah, that's a fish.
Holy jeez. You sure?
Yeah, yeah. Stop paddling, stop paddling.
You have a net?
No. Oh. It's not even big. My rod is just very light. Oh, it got off.
Oh no!
It jumped.
Stabco rod?
Yeah.
Oh god.
Dude, it looked. Did you see the action I was getting?
Holy
But
shit.
when it jumped, it was only like a freaking.
Dude, that's a $24 rod reel.
Well, I have two rods. Pretty. Nice one. Yeah.
Yeah, keep.
Holy.
Keep.
That's a friggin' short lunch there, boys.
Kyle's on the board.
On the board, boys.
I'm on the board too. It's a minnow.
Did you expect anything less though?
No, absolutely not. All right. Didn't have the cameras rolling, but oh. And I thought it was a lake trout at first because I'm using a deep diving lure. I hook into this puppy. Decent keeper. It's called a trolling. Just cast my line out like that and paddle. We have 5 kilometers to our campsite, probably a little less now, maybe 4, but it's right at the other end of the lake, which is ways away and into a fairly steady headwind. So I keeps up like this, I'm gonna have dinner before we even get to the site. But we're taking our time getting there, just fishing a few different spots along the way.
French name.
Exactly.
Oh, it's a falcon. Try to get something. Jim and Kyle are on the board. I'm not on the board. Not on the board yet, so I'm feeling inferior. I did lose one though, so I don't know if that's better or worse. Anyway, Jim thought he had a lake trout on there for a second. I was getting really jealous, and then it looked like quite a large bass in the end, so like still jealous but not as jealous. Let's see what we get right here. Right.
It drops off. Oh yeah. That'll go on the stringer.
Don't grab the line.
Oh, this is a, oh yeah, bud.
Good one.
You need the net?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Nice catch, Ted.
He's not that huge. You know, he's not like 5 pounds. He's like 3. 3.
A good 3.
You get him? No, it's not open anymore. Sweet.
You know, I wouldn't have minded a pull up right now.
Sweet stringer of fish in my way when I was trying to paddle in.
Yeah. Wanted to get it on my GoPro too, so.
Good to stand up, I'll tell you that much.
So this is where it was.
Oh yeah.
You can see the fire took it down.
Mm-hmm.
Nice old red pine though, all around it. Beautiful spot.
Beautiful. I take it this was just built with the logs from the area.
Right from here.
So Kyle's family had a land lease here years ago when they ran a lodge, and he's just showing me the remnants of that. They don't have the lease anymore, but the cabin ended up burning down, unfortunately. And but it's still kind of cool to come in and check it out. His family got a lot of history in the area.
One of our old ones.
And he's showing us out the spot. There's a boat over there, you're saying?
Yeah, it's a boat right there.
Oh yeah.
One of the old ones.
Yeah.
Been there for a while.
So you guys had that as part of the,
Part of the outpost camp.
it was, yeah, so you fly people in. So you fly people in.
Yeah, fly or portage them in, depending on what they were looking for, what level of luxury they were looking for, right?
And then there was a boat here for them.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
Cool. Yeah, his family's got a lot of history here and it's cool. So he's taking us around, showing us some of his fishing holes, and telling us a bit about the area. So it's cool. I thought he was making some of it up, but it all just turned out to be true. It's the remnants of the old camp here. You can see the logs.
I'm gonna set up right down there on the moss by the lake.
Cool.
Put it like right over here. There's a hole there. There's a hole there. Put it closer to the water.
Where'd you get that bag, Kyle?
This bag is, well, I don't know. It's got to be 60 years old now, maybe 70. It's my Uncle Mike's. It's been used for everything from holding hose for firefighting, for forest fires, to camping, backpacking. She's been around, man. Yeah.
It looks like a traditional kind of canoe pack, eh?
Yeah. So what they would do is they'd put a cardboard box that fit perfectly into it, and then fold the hose in it for when they're hiking up to a forest fire. So we've got about 7 or 8 of these full of hose back at the camp.
Huh.
Was it made specifically for fires? Or?
No, I mean the ones that we have that are specific for camping, they actually have like an axe sheath on the side.
What is that? It's canvas?
Yeah, it's all canvas, waterproof canvas, like a waxed canvas. So like if it dumps water on it, it's obviously going to get wet, but it's pretty watertight.
I suppose you could reapply.
Yeah.
You know?
It's a cool bag, man.
Yeah, it does the trick.
I didn't look back in the bush. Is there anything better?
No.
As much as they did. Just because it's expensive. And Mary's got family has a cottage on Bay Quinty.
Oh yeah.
Not pretty good there.
Yeah. Big.
And no better nowadays, doesn't it? But why not, bud? There's no benefit.
It is nicer sleeping under a tarp. It's like, you know?
It feels more
It's
aerated.
like open. It's like you don't get closed in and
More space.
I don't know. It's just more wild. It's like a cooler feeling.
It is. We'll just blot it out. I'll just.
7% of the time.
You gotta listen to these
Bang
things,
on.
though, eh?
Oh, I listen like you wouldn't believe.
Put the fly on.
Right. Some good ones though.
Oh, phenomenal. Warmness for the year this time?
Yeah, we're getting there.
Warmer than Lake Temagami, though.
Pretty much. This is max.
How is it?
Oh, it's
Spectacular.
that's exactly what I needed. The heat was just starting to roast me.
Yeah, I was in the same boat, man.
I was just like sucking my life.
Oh my god! Get your rod out.
Really?
Get your rod, it's a monster!
Like over 5 for sure,
Like,
dude.
it's
That's
huge.
like one of the biggest bass I've ever seen.
That's it right here. Oh my god.
Oh no!
You blow
It tangled. As if my rod tangled right now.
Over my head.
Just
over
throw
my
me
head.
the rod.
Over my head. No. Here, give it to me. Just let your drag loose.
That is freaking crazy.
Let your drag loose. I'm gonna bring it to the fish.
It's right there. Grab it.
Holy. Here, it's right here.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh! Come on, baby. Oh, he missed.
Did
He missed. Yeah, he's going for it. Got it. Go, fight, Ted,
real,
fight.
real.
Fight.
Oh, where's the GoPro when you need it?
Are you filming this? Tell me you're filming this.
Yeah, we are. I gotta help him land it. Be careful, Ted. Be careful. Let me get the net.
Just beat you. Oh my god.
I've never had like a team effort.
That was a solid team effort there.
Three-person team effort.
Look at the size of that thing.
Look at that.
Literally hooked it by hand.
Yeah.
Saw it swimming.
Wash it off.
Spotted it swimming.
I don't know if it's as big as I thought it was.
Let me go. Effort that went into, because it's like you guys saw it, then cast it over here, then like the hand thing, and then I pulled it in. I guess you could have just tried to swim
Yeah, who
it
caught that? I guess Ted. Ted caught it. Yeah.
I feel like maybe you should have tried to.
I hooked it. You caught it.
That's a monster, dude.
Hold on.
What do you mean hold on?
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I missed the jumps.
Oh, man. Look at the size of that thing.
Yeah!
Whoa, buddy.
Kyle's got a tank on the line, it would appear.
Get the net.
I got your fish airborne, Kyle.
Did you?
Yeah.
Amazing.
With a lot of heart.
I like those ones that punch out of their weight class.
Just sight, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. I love that noise. Spot well.
The missing recipe for our dinner.
Wow. That's a beautiful fish.
All right, this is a photo.
I think I got one. Oh.
Yeah, that looks like a good one too.
Oh, dude. Oh. Yeah. It's a pig. Oh!
No.
Dude, it's right there. I'm gonna. There it is. Yeah. Oh!
Did you just snap your line?
Jim must be really upset. And boom! Yes. Yeah. Oh, it's a pig though.
Oh.
Dude, cast. Oh! Jim, cast in there. There's
I don't
a
have
trailer.
a hook on. Is there a trailer?
Yeah! It's huge! Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Is that like I'm not even I'm losing track.
Yeah. Gary Yamamoto. Gary Yamamoto.
My GoPro on, bro.
Oh, man.
That's a slab. That is a slab. Not bad at all. All right, size her up.
Step towards me a bit. Nice.
See you later, buddy.
Well, just a freaking gorgeous evening here with Kukagami, Kyle, and Jim. I mean, this is beautiful. One of the highlights of the summer here. This gorgeous night, hammering freaking smallmouth, fish after fish, several in the 4-pound plus range. And we got other things to do. We got to clean some fish, we got to cook dinner, but we're having so much fun. And it's just freaking gorgeous here right now. There's just no one else around. Oh, the air just smells amazing. You can just smell the freaking pines in the air. It's just so pure and clean, and I'm having a great time.
Don't worry, bud. We're all sorted out. I'll need those flippers though, please.
I feel like we're getting the loaning guiding service.
Use my shirt there to dry it off. Whatever. There you go.
All right.
There you go. I'm losing oil temp here.
Tastes good out of this, like, eh?
Oh yeah.
Not swampy at all.
Clean, cold water, man.
Yeah, the urban garlic's pretty sweet. Or, sorry, garlic butter. Pretty good, eh?
Very good.
So is this like a part of like a conservation reserve, or is it just Crown? I mean, conservation reserve still is Crown, but
Conservation area.
yeah.
No, there's lots. Don't worry, everybody's gonna eat well. Oh my god.
That's deadly, man. These fish is
This is the best smallmouth I've ever eaten.
Think so?
Oh man. It really is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But if I keep busy, I actually don't want to eat until dinner. Mm-hmm.
Well, I thought breakfast was the most important meal of the day.
Fabrication by the grain industry.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Well, that sounds like fire down there.
There she is.
morning?
It's gonna be a hot one, eh?
Yeah. Oh, monster, right? First cast. Just a whale right off the bat. I could have some breakfast. Oh, that smells like pure magic. This is downright decadent.
Just paradise, man.
This is decadent.
Just paradise.
Yeah. Yeah. So like May, June, July, August, September. They only get, let's say, a good.
We used to come back. There's a loon out there, eh, Chub?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You know, like if you were filming the actual building of that thing, it would be amazing. Just like,
Yeah.
just
This guy's got some jam on him this morning.
It's not like this.
Look at these guys cruising in behind it. Can you see
Oh
that?
my god, they're huge. They're huge beast watch.
I don't know if my camera will show this without a filter.
Nice little guy. About a pound. Not bad for a little morning.
I'd say more than
I got one. I'm trying to bring it over.
Oh yeah, she's a good one.
Looks like a good
She's
one.
a good one. Pretty decent one anyways. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a big fish.
Where's your buddy? Where's your friends? We've scared away the school. Come on.
You're eating lots of crayfish around here.
We've been using jig head with Mr. Twister curly tail grubs, which we've been crushing them on. And before I was catching them on minnow lures trolling, but me and Ted have been using these wacky rigged 5-inch worms, and these are just beauty. At first glance, you think, "What the heck is that?" But whatever reason, when you pull it through the water, it just gives kind of a lifelike kind of motion to it. But most of the time when you're catching them on a wacky rig, you're actually catching them on the sink. So you just cast out and you let them sink, and they have sort of a little flutter to them. That's when the fish hit it. So it's kind of a slow kind of patient approach, patient retrieve. You pull in a bit and then you let it sink again, and 9.9 times out of 10 you're getting them on the sink.
Yeah, exactly. 30-year bromance. Where'd you already met? At a pond hockey tournament.
Fuck, we're well up over a decade now. That had to be. Oh, hot. That's exactly what it is. And I've got unlimited data, so.
My hand line on my hand lining.
Yeah. Just on my property.
Yeah.
Dude. Yeah. Better safe than sorry. The rocks are still super hot underneath. Okay. I feel weird not tasting it. But it does feel weird. Oh, do you guys have to turn back? You get the cameras, obviously.
To it.
Yeah, there's a deep hole they could go and hide in, eh?
Oh, it's really shallow by the tree. That's disappointing.
Yeah. There's all sand bottom here.
Yeah.
Throw a cabin right up there, clear the sticks out, you have some beach. Look at that. Beautiful.
Making my way down. You guys will catch up to me pretty quick. It's almost fighting like a Laker. I think it's pulling the boat.
It is pulling the boat. Giant bass?
It's a lake trout, bro.
Are you serious?
Lake trout. Yeah, Ted, film this.
Film this, you got a Laker on. Oh, buddy.
Ba-bam! Yes, it's a nice one. It's like tied itself up, eh? Lake trout.
Nice. Yeah, a couple pounds.
I think more like 3, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I call that bruising from the
Oh yeah. We
got another Laker on here.
Should maybe bring the net, Jim.
Yeah.
I'll hold them. Bring the net.
Kyle, you can net it yourself, yeah?
Yeah.
If you need it, here, take it.
Oh, this one's fighting
Don't
pretty good.
risk it.
Oh, jeez. He's angry about coming up, that's
What do you
for
got
sure.
over there, the tube jig?
Yeah.
Money in the bank, brother.
Oh, man.
You have
Dude.
the tube on, or did you put the rappel
Dude,
on?
No,
he's
this
got
is
something
tube.
big on there.
This is...
Holy shit!
Oh!
Come
Try
on.
again. Leave it down there. Do you want to put this on the stringer? That was like double the size of mine, bro.
You gotta be kidding
Double
me.
the size of mine, eh? Well, I don't know. Mine was fighting pretty hard. Here,
It felt like you got
Ted, you
caught
wanna
on
take-
something.
Yeah, dude.
That's what I caught the lake trout on. It's cotton cordell. I'm not sure what the exact name is, but it's a great walleye lure too. But for trolling right now, I know the Lakers are deeper. That'll go about 15 feet. So the Lakers are probably about 30 feet right now. So obviously I got a little lucky, but then in the same spot, Kyle had one on that's probably about double the size of the one I kept, which is probably a good 3-pounder. So sometimes they come up in lakes where they're where there's a lot of them.
I mean, really, our Adlatalk trip was like that. Like, we brought a ton of food, but like we hammered like hundreds of pounds of fish and like geese. And then when the trip was done, we had like one moldy pita and a mountain house that had like 300 calories, and that's all the food we had. So like we would have needed a food drop if we weren't just like partially living off the land, you know?
Yeah.
Probably like at least 1/3 of our food.
Such a nice day, and we got this chunky lake trout, and the boys and I were coming off a wee bit peckish. So we figured, why not pull over and have a shore lunch? Might be easier to pull up over here, Ted.
Ted, I'm doing all the work here. All the work.
Using a little wally diver. The water is fine.
That's for sure. The grayer the better, buddy. Last night, you know?
Out of its mouth, like,
And it came
and
right
then
back.
It comes right back because of Jim throwing the guts in. Rainbow.
For rainbow?
Yeah. With the head of another rainbow in its stomach. And guts and a tail. Okay, perfect.
Yeah, right there.
You want to do this, Kyle? Or
I can.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. Wow. Couldn't be possibly cooked better.
So good, man. So buttery, you know?
Yeah.
Oh.
Fish there, Jim?
Passes the test.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet.
Oh my god.
Perfect eating size, everything, eh?
That piece right that I just had was...
Yeah.
I almost don't want to eat another piece because that was so perfect. Well done, sir. This is friggin' beautiful. What a treat this is.
Eating the tribe.
Oh man. This is a treat.
Perfect leg trout over the fire. You got one, Ted?
Oh yeah.
Woo! Oh no! I got it on camera though.
You're good again.
That was a tank.
That was a big one.
So that was amazing. Just kind of leisurely heading out back to the portage, and Jim hooks into just a beauty lake trout, and it's about noon, so we pulled over and had just a delicious sore lunch. So good. And just camping or just fishing from the spot there, lost a couple nice 4-pound smallmouth. So the fishing's just proving to be incredible, world class, I would say. So having a great time, and now we're just headed out again.
Well, successful shore lunch. Absolutely delicious, delicious. I can't remember ever eating a better lake trout in my entire life. And that's about it for the festivities. We're gonna troll, who knows, maybe I catch another lake trout, bring it home to Tori, that'd be awesome. But you never know. And anyways, yeah, it's just basically paddle for a couple clicks, long portage, motorboat back to Kyle. So we're slowly coming to an end here, but I'm sure we'll you know, take a little more time than we need to try to hook into some more fish. So awesome day on the water so far.
That's the best to rejuvenate the forest, right?
Here is the portage back.
They push the anchors and
Oh, that's the thing. Yeah, that just came down. You're carrying all of them.
Kyle stashed a few sparkling dubs, sparkling water. So pretty freaking nice little treat. Cheers, bud.
Cheers, brother.
All time.
That was awesome.
Mm.
Yeah, it's an old trick. You leave yourself treats at the end of every portage if you're coming back the same direction.
Smart. Smart.
Something to look forward to.
That's right.
And if somebody else
It's
takes
kind of funny that they're not beers and they're sparkling waters. But, you know, that's how we roll.
Is that GoPro pointing all right? Yeah! I had to stop once and do a total bag reconfiguration though.
Sparkling dubs, bud. Get into one.
Actually pretty cold.
I know, you left them in the shade. Smart. Oh, so good.
Great, because I had it in the shade. Fucking smart person.
I'm actually doing the best thing I've ever done, Joe.
All right, we're loaded up, ready to go. Headed back, adventure's done.
Having a couple of sparkling water, grapefruit.
Sparkling dubs.
Sparkling dubs.
Sparkling dubs, a little reward at the end of the
Dubs up.
trip.
Funny thing is
Freaking
that
hammer
actually
time, what a great freaking little spot Campfire Kyle brought us to, just loaded in. You know, it was just great. So like, what can you ask for more?
I would say great too.
A freaking overnighter. Just a
Probably
overnighter.
one of the best overnighters I've done in a while, boys.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to Jim, Baird Adventure as well. And check him out.